Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your daily midday market minutes. We got equities bouncing back. Turnaround Tuesday is in motion. We talked about it on the Morning Express today. We held that low from Friday's session yesterday, and we held it overnight and helped lay the groundwork. NASDAQ wasn't so lucky, though. NASDAQ did take that low out, but it did hold the major 3-star support, which actually highlighted to be rare major 4-star support today. I talked about it yesterday in this video. 14,300 area, 14,250, big level. You do not want to see it close below there. So as we move higher, we're seeing the S&P battle back at 43.45 and 43.43 area. That we're holding at it and above it here as it's consolidating and digesting the morning's gains. That's constructive, but we still have to close out above major 3-star resistance overhead that we failed at the end of last week, 43.66 to 43.73. That's our pocket. We got to get above 43.73. That would encourage a breakout. Now the NASDAQ is holding just below that ceiling of major 3-star resistance. I have it on the Morning Express. Check it out. There's 2 levels there you got to take a look at for the NASDAQ to close above in order to get that sort of breakout and begin neutralizing some of that weakness we saw through last week and getting this thing out of the gutter. Now, we've got crude oil. That's not in the gutter at all. That's making new highs, highest level since November 2014. We're pressing towards 80 bucks, digesting some of the gains right around $79 here today. We are bullish. We remain bullish. We want to see this thing stay and continue to close out above about 78.40 or so in order to keep this thing rolling. Now, you do have inventory data coming into the mix, and last week's inventory data wasn't so supportive, but crude bounced right back. Now, 80.20 is defined from the recent range of the consolidation last week, gives you that $80. Now, that's what we're targeting to the upside. We think that should be done here this week. Let's get through inventories. If inventories are supportive, we could see a real tailwind right through $80. Now, gold and silver are consolidating. I highlighted on the Morning Express. It's a little disappointing to see what happened to gold here. Now, that's rates. The bonds are down about a whole point here today. Rates are moving higher with this risk-on environment. But gold has dug itself out of the gutter, out of that weakness again. You know, we had that overnight weakness and it shook it off. We're back up to 1760. The good thing is that helps gold close out above 1756, which I highlighted in the Morning Express. We do not want to see it close below there. Silver holding major 3-star support, 22 bucks to 22.35. Now, I highlight what resistance levels are overhead and what we want to see it close above. So check it out. Again, all on the Morning Express. Our trade desk is here to help. Now, we had, on the data side of things, ISM non-manufacturing beat this morning. Now, jobs come in the mix tomorrow, ADP payrolls. So that's going to start moving markets as non-farm payroll on Friday comes to the picture. Again, our trade desk is here. We are here to help. Our whole team, 312-278-0500. Remember, though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It is not suitable for all investors.